28 boys, Moose Hunting in New Zealand. Today we're going out in boat to do some fishing. We're a little bit late. Well, we've been out a few times, but we're never made videos so soon as we did last year because never got out so early. But then Dad's just gonna gas her up now. I'm gonna go out and see if there's any codfish around. Hey, Dad? Day today. Sis just caught a scope and Mom reeled up. Now we're just started fishing. Lovely, lovely. Dad, you loves them, don't you, Dad?
Yeah, nice.
No, perfect. Now I can see everybody. I can't fish yet because our other rod is not working and we only got 2 rods.
Is the counter working?
I'm sure you can find other stuff today.
What? The what? The rod not working.
Yeah.
Why are you reeling it in that?
It's not at the bottom on them. Alright, here you go. Try.
Here, buddy, use this one. No, I'll take that other one. See
No.
there. Seaweed.
All you got to do, Mom, is just make sure it don't fall over. That's all.
It's on your arm, Joe?
Blood.
Here, blood. I don't know, was it fly bite this morning when I was up on the... here, buddy. Take this fish.
I don't know, looks like it's aiming it. There's a Reese's package.
Never cups.
That's what I did.
Oh man, yeah, nice out there either like this.
Mom, can you hold it for a second? I gotta get up
Hello, Mr. Gall.
there. There's a butterfly. There's a jellyfish.
share something about going in that reel or something. Just don't even leave the world trying to sit that drag.
We need to go in a tiny bit more. Come on. Dad, should I be at 60? Not 60. 54? Not, yeah. 56.
Shut up.
Reel up, Madison. You can't be 3/4 up and not be fishing. You gotta reel it all up.
No, I probably got a scope or something on now
That
again.
might be what I had. But I don't think what I had.
Because again, right off the bottom and did weight. It might, or it mightn't be a scope one. I think it might be a.
Might have been, Nick, it might have been what I had.
Do you want Mom to let yours out, Maddie?
No, I'll do it.
Oh, lost.
Thank you, Mom.
My arm side, don't too.
I'll hold the whatever it's called.
Whatever it was, it's gone.
Dad, are you fishing with that?
No, I'm not fishing with it. It's broke. Them 10 reels. This is supposed to be the best you can buy, yeah? So, I don't know about that.
Dad,
Yeah, I'll get it now.
Mr. Yeah, we're drifting. Mr. Seagulls aren't too smart.
Mr. Seagull was looking for a line.
That's weird.
I'm tired.
Stop singing.
We're scoping
Stop singing.
for whatever you want to throw to me.
You're weird. There's a big
Who's that?
want to
For a
try.
line. All right, go get the snacks.
I will go
What
get
she
the
do?
My
She
boobs.
just had a snack.
No, I'm getting
Sit out here and eat snacks
yeah,
all.
I'm getting some water too.
Get a water for Dad too. I'd like to have a snack too.
There's
I'd like to have a snack.
Watch
too.
that thing now.
I will watch your tripod, yes.
I'm gonna watch the tripod. What a day though.
I'm got a fish on now.
Watch it, buddy.
Okay. Nah. Yeah, it was a catfish.
Oh.
Holding up. Oh, never mind. It was the same thing as a trout.
Mom, can I fish? Ow. You said that like 5 minutes ago. Another one bites the dust.
Well, reel it up if you think she
I
got some.
can't! It was heavy, Mom. There was. It was like bending over.
Yeah, I'm not spending the day. I'm going to reel it up, reel it, reel it up, reel it up.
Mom. There was.
Yeah, but when you get to 9, you got the hook and gourd.
Oh, there was. I'm not gonna see these.
Let me hit the line out because we don't know.
Took the fish, but Dad said he's not dancing, so it might be a scopeland. Or a rock cat.
Dead friggin' weight, whatever it is.
Oh, well, it's probably
Let's just eat all off.
jumpins.
Rock tide. Big tide fish, they get very big.
Holding up, Dad. Yeah.
Not very big.
Mr. Gall, you're not getting the feed now.
Take your rod, Dad. No, I want to drop it down. I know how. Come on.
Ah. Done. Small stuff.
Yeah, we had a lot of small ones here the other day. Like this one.
Yeah.
I take 7 or 8 of them now, we kill them.
Where'd you come around the island then?
Yeah, I was up there by Dolphin.
Never got nothing up there?
One.
I think the fish is over off Black Island. Seems like a lot of boats over off back of Black Island over there. Yeah.
I think that's where we're going.
Boy, it seems to be an awful lot of activity out in the back of that Black Island there.
Now, Dad, you go over on your side. I'll do my business.
Last week you were getting over on North Harbour side.
Yeah, we got them last weekend right here on the corner of the spike there on the Gunner Rock. Could have filled the boat there. Nothing there today though. We haven't got a 10 yet. Well, we got a few small ones, but we let them all go.
Mine.
It's not a bad day out there though, June.
Mom is suntan.
Yeah. The lighthouse up there. Exploits lighthouse.
Well, me father often told me when I was just a lad, a sailor's life was very hard, the food was always bad. But now I joined the Navy, I'm aboard a man of war, and now I found the sailor ain't the sailor anymore. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast. If you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another on ashore. A sailor ain't the sailor, ain't the sailor anymore. Well, the killick of our mess, he says we have it soft. It wasn't like that in his day when we were up aloft. We like our bunks and sleeping bags, so what's a hammock for? Swinging from the deckhead or lying on the floor. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast. If you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another on ashore. A sailor ain't the sailor, ain't the sailor anymore. Well, they gave us an engine that first went up and down. Then with more technology, the engine went around. We now steam and diesel, but what's it mainly for? A stoker ain't a stoker with a shovel anymore. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast. If you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another on ashore. A sailor ain't the sailor, ain't the sailor anymore. Well, they gave us an honest stamp so we could do it right. They gave us a radio, we signal day and night. We know our code and cipher, so what's a cipher for? A bunting doss, it doesn't toss the bunting anymore. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast. If you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another on ashore. A sailor ain't the sailor, ain't the sailor anymore. 2 cans of beer a day, that's your bleeding lot. But now we have an extra one because we stopped the tot. So we'll put on our civvy clothes, we'll find a proper shore. A sailor's just a sailor, just like he was before. Don't haul on the ropes, don't climb up the mast. If you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another on ashore. A sailor ain't the sailor, ain't the sailor anymore. Don't haul on the ropes, don't climb up the mast. If you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another on ashore. A sailor ain't the sailor, ain't the sailor anymore.